Okay, Steve, our Bobcat skid steer loader's arrived. Let's go ahead and get it unloaded.
All right, so time to get started. Great, so I've got the keys. How do I get in this thing now?
Okay, we're ready to go ahead and get in the machine, and I'll show you a few components of the cab area.
Okay.
Step up on the steps, grab the grab handles, step on into the cab, and turn as you're getting in. Okay, so let's talk about a few of the internal components to the cab. You have a lever over here on the left-hand side of the seat that moves it fore and aft. So
Okay.
you can get yourself comfortable in there, just like your pickup truck.
Yeah.
If you look up on the right-hand side, you'll see the key switch.
Okay.
All right. So that's where you're gonna put your key.
Way up here.
Down here is your manual throttle. By turning that to the right, that raises the engine RPMs. Up on the very right-hand side, you'll see the right-hand dashboard, and then over on the left-hand side is the left-hand dashboard. That's where all of your gauges will be visible. The next components are the joystick controls, all right? The left joystick is gonna control the movement of the loader, the forward and backward and left and right.
Okay, so this
That's
is what I'm
your
actually
left.
driving forward,
Exactly.
backward, left, right with. Okay.
Exactly. The right joystick is gonna control your boom and your bucket function.
Okay.
Right over your right hand shoulder there is the Bobcat skid steer loader operator handbook. Familiarize yourself with the components and the operation of the machine. You've always got that operator handbook right there behind you. So go ahead and fasten your seatbelt. I'm going to have you go ahead and turn the key to the start position and start the loader. Seat bar down. Push your press to operate button. With the right joystick, let's raise the boom to about operator eye level. Pivot the joystick to the left, and that will curl the bucket. And pivot to the joystick to the right, and that will dump the bucket. Back the loader up by pulling the left joystick slightly backwards. Pivot the joystick and turn the machine to the left. Pivot the joystick to the other direction and turn to the right. Anytime you take your hands off the controls, those control levers are going to return to neutral.
It just immediately stops. That's the safeguard.